How to auto-scroll on Instagram Reels. First things first, open up your Instagram app like you usually do. Tap on your profile. Look for those three little lines in the top right corner of your screen. They're like a little hamburger icon. Tap on that. Once you tap on the lines, you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Look for one that says Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Now, you're in your settings. Scroll down until you see something that says Help and tap on that. Within the Help section, you'll find Report a Problem. Tap on that. You'll have to tap Report Problem without shaking. Then hit Include and continue. Now, you're going to write a little message to Instagram. Just tell them, I am missing the auto-scroll option on my Instagram Reels feed. I need this to be fixed for my account. Once you've written your message, hit send. It's like sending a text message, easy peasy. Now, here's the waiting game. Instagram will probably take a day or two to get back to you, so just chill and check your notifications. Once they get back to you, it's time to act. They'll probably tell you they've fixed it. Open up Instagram again and go to your Reels feed. When you're there, hold your finger down on the screen. You should see an option pop up for auto scroll. Just tap on auto scroll and you're all set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can unlock the auto scroll feature on your Instagram Reels feed. Remember to be patient while waiting for Instagram support to address your request. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.